Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, let's see how can you fix your Fire Stick which is showing no signal on your TV HDMI port, and how can you fix your black screen which is not working. Fix 1. You need to reset the HDMI connection. Disconnect your Fire TV from the HDMI port, then plug it back in. This forces a fresh HDMI handshake between the device and your TV. This simple step often clears a no signal state on its own. Fix 2. Try a different HDMI cable or hub. Try replacing your HDMI cable or HDMI hub with a new one. Use a high speed HDMI cable for streaming titles in 4K Ultra HD. Cables not rated for high speed can fail to maintain stable 4K signals. Fix 3. Confirm the correct HDMI input. Match your remote source or input button to the active HDMI port. Wrong input selection causes a black screen even when the device is on. Double check the physical port number, which matches the on screen selection. Fix 4. Toggle HDMI CEC device control. Go to Settings and then select Display and Sounds. Select HDMI CEC device control. Turn the setting off and then back on again. This resets the communication protocol to resolve detection conflicts. Fix 5. Cycle through available resolutions. Press and hold the up and rewind buttons together for 5 seconds. This recycles the resolutions if your TV doesn't support the current output. It moves to a lower resolution to restore a visible picture on your screen. So that's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do subscribe to this channel.